Hello guys, and welcome to my channel. So quickly in this video guys, I'm going to be showing you how you can transfer your Ton from Binance to Tonkeeper. Okay, so let me go down here to my accounts. Okay, here you can see I have some USDT here and I also have some Ton here, right? But in your own case, if you don't have Ton in your account but you have only USDT, all you just need to do is to click on this three button up here. Okay, then you're just going to scroll down. Okay, you scroll down to where it says convert here, then you click on this button. Okay, then here you're going to convert. Let's assume I want to convert 5 USDT. Okay, I'm going to put in the 5 USDT here. But if I want to convert all of my USDT, I'm going to click on max here. Okay, then you'll be able to convert this USDT to this Ton. Okay, if I click on trade here now, it will see it will go through. Then I'll now have this amount of Ton in my wallet. Okay, now that you have Ton, the next thing you just need to do is to come back to your wallet here. Okay, then I'm just going to click on Ton here. Okay, now when I click on Ton, it's going to bring me to this interface. Okay, then I'm going to click on withdraw here. Remember, I'm trying to withdraw the Ton to Tonkeeper, right? Now on this interface is going to give you two options: send via crypto network or send via email. Remember, we are going to be sending it through crypto network. Okay, so make sure you click on this one and not on this one. Okay, let's click on this. Now we click on this, is going to bring you to this interface, right? So here is where you are going to put in your wallet address that you're going to copy from Tonkeeper. Okay, so let's go to our Tonkeeper. Let's copy our wallet address. So here on Tonkeeper, what I'm going to do is this: I'm going to click on receive. Okay, I'm clicking on receive because I want to receive Ton from Binance to my Tonkeeper wallet. Okay, so I'm going to click on receive here. Now you can either decide to click on receive directly here, or you can come down to Ton where they have different coin here. You can see they have Ton here, they have USDT here, they have Notcoin here. You can decide to also click on just Ton here. Okay, then you're going to click on receive, and here you have your wallet address. Okay, then just come down here, click on this copy. Now when you copy this wallet address, then you go back to Binance rather. So here on Binance, I'm going to paste the wallet address I just copied from Tonkeeper here. Okay, so you can see automatically the network is on the open network. Okay, if I click on it here, you can see that is the only option that is available, the open network. Now a lot of people get confused here at this particular point because they are expecting to see Ton here. Okay, but do you know that the full meaning of this, the open network, means Ton? Okay, the full meaning of Ton means the open network. Okay, this T stand for Ton, for T on Ton. This O stand for O. Okay, then this N stand for network. Okay, so if you check up here, you can see this is the Ton, this is TON. Okay, but it's so unfortunate that they didn't make this public for a whole lot of people to get to understand. So it's still the same thing. Okay, this open network is still Ton. Okay, then here you're going to come down here. You see it talks about memo here. We don't need memo here because if you go to Tonkeeper, here on Tonkeeper, it's not requesting for us to put in any memo here. Okay, you see send only Ton coin and token in Ton network to this address, or you might lose your phone. There's no way it talks about memo here. So back to Binance, we'll just ignore this particular point where it talks about memo here. Then here we're going to put in the amount of Ton coin that I want to send to Tonkeeper. Okay, so you can see the minimum is 0.4. So you can just put in the amount you want to send here, or if you want to send all the Ton coin you have in your Binance, then just click on max here. Okay, I'm going to click on max because I want to send all the Ton coin that I have in my Binance account here. Okay, then you're going to come down here, you're going to see what you're going to get. Okay, now they're going to charge you a transaction fee which is just 0.02 Ton, very minimal. Okay, now let's click on withdraw. Right, if you click on withdraw button, it's still going to remind you of the memo. Okay, say you did not fill in memo, please confirm that the receipt address does not need to fill in memo, digital ID or remark. Okay, like I rightly showed you, Ton is not requesting us to put in any memo, so you're just going to click on submit here. Okay, so here is going to show you the breakdown of what you are sending to your Tonkeeper. Okay, so you can see 2.0 ton, which is worth $10.78. Okay, now you're going to see your details here, your wallet address, everything is going to be here. Okay, you can see the network again is saying the open network, which actually means ton. Okay, then just go down here and click on confirm. So what we are doing now is this: we are trying to send this Toncoin to Tonkeeper. Okay, and also I will want you guys to hold on so that as soon as I receive the Tonkeeper, I receive the ton in my Tonkeeper, I'll be able to show you. Okay, so that you have that belief that the transaction is going to go through. Okay, so let me quickly get in my authenticator code here. Okay, and put it here. In your own case, it might be email. It depends on what you use as your two-step verification method. Okay, so let me quickly get in my Google authenticator code. Okay, so after getting authenticator code, I'm just going to paste it here. Okay, I can see the transaction is processing. You can see withdrawal processing, right? So as soon as I receive it in my Tonkeeper, I'm going to be showing you. So hold on until I get it in my Tonkeeper. Let's go. Okay, so guys, as you can see, this is what I had in my account before, which is just $2 worth of Toncoin. Okay, so I'm going to refresh my account now. Okay, let me refresh and see if I have received the transaction I made. Okay, so you can see it has increased. So you can see this is now $12 here. Okay, which means that I have received the fund, the 10.7 I sent from Binance. Okay, so this goes to show you that the transaction went through. Okay, so just make sure you follow the step-by-step method that I showed you in the video. And also please guys, remember to like this video and subscribe to this channel if you've not done that before now. Okay, I'll see you in the next one. Do take care of yourself and bye bye for now.